friends, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to make a diamond. So let's get started. So you need a square paper. After that you have to fold it like this. You do it like this. So friends, I had finished folding it. Turn it and fold the other side. So friends, you can see I have folded. Now this part should come here. So it makes a triangle shape. Friends, you can see I have done it the same way on the other side. So friends, you can see I had finished folding it. Now I had to open it. Now this part should come over here. The same way on the other side. After doing this, you can see over here a hole. So I had to open that hole and the shape will come like this. So friends, after doing this part should come here in the middle. The same way on the other side. The same way on the back. So friends, I have done it. So this part should come over here. So this part should come over here. Like this. After doing this, open this and open this part, put this inside and close it back. So over here, this part should do like this. So over here you can see a hole. That hole you have to fold it. Folding it, keep this button that's inside the hole. So friends, it comes like this. Same way on the other side. So friends, now you can see I'm done with it. So you have to go to the center and you have to do like this. Try to open it back, and over here you have to do like this. Same on this side. It's on the back. So I'm done with it. So I have to do like this, and you can see a hole here. You have to blow it. So now you can see friends, I finished blowing it. Now you can see it has become a diamond. So friends, thanks for watching my video. Subscribe my channel too. Bye bye.